Hello students, today we ended up the lesson Cell the Unit of Life class 11th with topic microbodies or microsomes. The microbodies or microsomes, we call these are small oval vesicles are enclosed by unit membrane. Unit membrane is nothing but the plasma membrane, and these vesicles are filled with a fluid, and that fluid we called matrix. This is the definition of microsomes or microbodies. These are the spherical structure. They are located near to the Golgi bodies. And when we talk about their size, they are bigger in size than lysosomes. Now we discuss on the types of the microbodies. Microbodies is divided into mainly three main types. The first type we called peroxisome. The second one spherosomes. And the third one glycosome. These are three main types of the microbodies. Now firstly we talk about the first one that we called peroxisomes. All about the peroxisomes. Firstly it is observed in rodent kidney. Rodent kidney we called the degraded or dead kidney. It is found in the dead body of the organism. But these are also found in plant cell as well as animal cell. They are present in both plant cell as well as animal cells. The size of the peroxisomes is about 1.0 mu in diameter, and it is bounded by single unit membrane. Some special enzymes are present in peroxisomes, and we call the matrix of peroxisome contain two special enzymes, that is the catalysis. Catalase enzyme is useful for the catalysis reaction, and second is oxidase. These are helpful for the oxidation reaction. Then it take part in, whenever we talk about the function of a peroxisome, then we call it take part in photorespiration process, in plant cell, and in animal cell it help in lipid metabolism. These are the two main functions of the peroxisome in case of plant cell, in animal cell. Then the second microsomes is spherosomes. Spherosomes are also small circular structure, and its matrix contain, the structure is similar like peroxisome, but the enzymes present in the matrix are different, and its matrix contain phosphatase enzyme. It contains phosphatase enzymes and deposit fat inside it. The fat deposition also takes place in that pattern. The exact function of spherosomes not known yet. There is no exact function of spherosomes are given in your textbook, and they are not known yet to any scientist also. Now the third type is the glycosome. Glycosomes, it is present only plant cell. About the sperosomes, it is also present only in plant cell. We called only in plant cell. Only perosome present in both plant as well as animal cell, while the two are present only in plant cell. Then where it located? Specially it is located in or present, it is present in seeds of the plant. And what type of the seeds? Which contain the seeds which contain fatty acids, most of the quantity of fatty acids, like example we called like castor and groundnut. Both are the oil seed and they are present in oil seed like a castor and groundnut. They are present in the cotyledon of the castor and groundnut in the form of stored food material, and during germination of castor or groundnut we call, because during the germination process the stored food material is utilized by the plant for their growth, so they break down the fats through glycoxylate cycle. They break down the fat to glycoxylate cycle during the germination of castor and groundnut. This is about the microsomes or microbodies present in one type is present in both plant and animal, and two types are present only in plants. Here the lesson Cell the Unit of Life of class 11th is finished. Thank you.